know we all got friends out there that we can call our brothers. I know I do. I just wanna let all my brothers know out there that I love y'all, and I got y'all whenever y'all need me, cause I know you got me too. You know reality's really setting in, bruhs. We are seniors, we are graduating this year, class of 2014, baby. But I wanna let y'all know one thing: just because we are all going our separate ways, don't mean things will ever have to change. Yeah, it's automatic, baby. And y'all my brothers till the end. This is a new beginning, we are starting another chapter. We going different ways, but distance won't be a factor. We ain't stressing it, man, we alright. Everyone will keep in touch because we all tight. We've been brothers since the start and we'll be brothers till the end. We got a strong bond between us, I see us more than friends. We getting farther in life, we taking more steps, and we share a bunch of memories we'll never forget. We a positive group of guys, full of good energy. They say best friends cause for the best memories. They all came into my life at the right time, and they ain't temporary friends, they'll be here for a lifetime. I'm so blessed to have these type of friends, the type you cherish forever, the friendships that never end. If you can't tell, all of my boys believe in my dream. Teamwork makes the dream work, that's why I call them my team. We all from different mothers, but treat each other like brothers. I'm loving my crew forever, I never go find another. I see all y'all more than friends, cause y'all my brothers till the end. I said we all from different mothers, but treat each other like brothers. I'm loving my crew forever.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.